So let us move on. Next question, exercise 1.3, part question number 5, part B. Question is 8 multiply by 53 multiply by in bracket minus 125. If I assume A is equals to A, 53 is equals to B, and minus 125 is equals to C, so that I can write A cross B, again cross this C I can write here, and by which property we can write here, we can change its order. How can we change? See here very carefully. If I write first this B which is in middle, I can write this B cross A cross C. But why will I write this in this way? Because this question we have to make it more easier. This multiplication we have to make it more easier. How can we make it? How can we make any multiplication more easier? I will tell you by taking another example. 5 cross 3 cross in bracket minus 2. This multiplication I will do by two ways. First way is simply I will multiply this one by one by taking this term. 5 into 3 gives us 15. Then this multiplication sign. Next is minus 2 will be as it is. Then in next step 15 2s are 30. Plus minus minus. So with this we got minus 30. This is first way. Second way is by second method. How can we solve this same multiplication? 5 cross 3 cross in the bracket minus 2. Same question. In the second way, how can we solve? If I write 3 first, if I take this 3 which is in middlemost, now if I take first these 3 and then I write these 5 and minus 2 together, means this first term and this third term I am taking together here. With this, what can we get? 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, and when we multiply these signs, so plus into minus gives us minus in the bracket. Directly we can solve it. 3 multiplied by 10 gives us 30, and plus into minus gives us minus 30. So which method is more easier to solve? I think this is, because if you will arrange 5 into 2, this 5 with this minus 2, directly we will get minus 10, and in next step directly we can multiply 3 with this minus 10. Simply we can get the answer minus 30. So this is more easier to multiply. In the same way, I will take here, this is A cross B cross C. Now I will make this term in this form. B first, B is equals to 53, because here is B in first. So 53 cross A is equals to 8. You can see here in bracket cross C is equals to, you can see here, minus 25. It will be good when, if you will take this bracket, minus 3 will be as it is, then cross in bracket 8 into minus 125. Why I will take these two terms together? Because if I will multiply 125 with 8, directly I will get 1000 in the number in the zero form. Okay, zeros form. So it will be more easier to multiply. 8 into 125 became 1000, plus minus gives us minus. Directly you can solve it further. 53 multiplied by 1000 gives us 53 and 3 more 0, plus minus minus. And the property which we used here is commutative property. Commutative property states us by commutative property A cross B is equals to B cross C. I hope you have understood.